Hi, I'm Cassie from 青岛 TNT Homeware Company Limited. This one also foldable, but it's laundry hamper. There's big space inside. Let's check the detail. We designed the luxury PVC handle for easy carrying. The gray color to match the gray part. If you don't use it, you can foldable. Take the cardboard out, then foldable. Or you don't use the cardboard and still can foldable like this. Put the color band, pack like this. All of the foldable product can save the space during transportation, though the price will be cheaper, and it can be used as promotion product.